Buying a car from a dealership has become more challenging and costly than ever. Car salespeople use specific tactics to rip you off, all while waving goodbye with a smile. In this video, we're going to reveal the hidden tactics used by car dealerships to maximize their profits, often at your expense. Watch until the end to discover the truth behind these strategies and exactly how to protect yourself. Let's dive in. The Foursquare method is a common strategy in car sales, involving four key elements: your trade-in value, the price of the new vehicle, your down payment, and the monthly payment if you're financing. Imagine trading in a 2006 Chevy Impala. The dealer with a keen eye will subtly devalue your trade-in by pointing out minor flaws, thereby lowering its value in your eyes. But how exactly do they do this? Here's an example. John, who brought in his well-maintained 2006 Chevy Impala, expecting a fair trade-in value. The dealer, however, casually remarks on a few minor scratches and the car's mileage, instantly making John doubt the car's worth. When the Foursquare is presented, the dealer offers only $4,000 for the Impala and sets the new car's price at an inflated $24,900. The down payment and monthly payment options are structured to make John feel like he's getting a deal. But is he really? This method is designed for negotiation, with dealers focusing on monthly payments and down payments, as financing is their most profitable aspect. The solution is to research the true value of your trade-in vehicle using sources like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds. Know the fair market price of the new car you're interested in. Websites like TrueCar or Consumer Reports can provide this information. Next, let's take a look at where dealerships make their most money from you, and it's not what you think. Dealerships make a huge portion of their profits from financing with high interest rates and selling additional services like rim insurance and warranties. Their service area is another profitable area where they can burn you if you're not careful. The solution is to do your research whenever offered additional services like insurance and warranties. But where do dealerships make the most money? Surprisingly, brand new car sales are the least profitable. Why? Because there's limited room for markup. Used cars, on the other hand, are a huge goldmine for dealerships due to their pricing flexibility. But what does this mean for you as a buyer? During negotiations, the dealer will present high initial numbers to start a bargaining process. They aim to make you feel like you're getting a deal. The salesperson will quickly run through the Foursquare, urging you to initial the offer, which psychologically commits you to the deal. But here's where it gets interesting. Emily, excited about her potential new car, finds herself faced with high monthly payments. The dealer, sensing her hesitation, pretends to negotiate, slightly lowering the payments. However, they're careful not to reduce their profit margin. They rarely negotiate on the trade-in value or the car's price. The real goal? To extend the financial term, subtly increasing the monthly payment, which significantly boosts the dealership's profit through interest. But how can you outsmart this tactic? When buying a car, it's wise to arrange your financing beforehand, preferably through a local credit union. This approach gives you a fixed lower interest rate compared to the dealership financing. Also, negotiate the price of the car you're interested in without mentioning your trade-in. Only introduce the trade-in at the end of the negotiation to focus on the car's price rather than the trade-in value. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.